Welcome to Virgin of Mary of Fatima here in my village. And this place is really like one of the very untouched scenery and untouched view spots here in our town of Lobok. And right there you can see the oceans from Luay, from Baclayon, and there it's in our city there. And that one, all of these mountains that you see belongs to our town. That mountains called Gimba, and that there is Cruz Daco. See, you can see the big cross there. And next week, this week, they will go there for like a Lenten season sacrificing. So yeah, it's there. My phone is not that good, so yeah, I cannot do it a good show. But yeah, welcome to my very solemn and very peaceful place here. And of course, our Virgin of Mary, the Virgin of Fatima. Yes, founded last 2000, if I'm not mistaken, 2018 or 2019, something like that. And this land is also like belongs to the sister of my grandfather, and that area there also belongs to my grandfather there, late grandfather. So yeah, this one is already being sold to the new owner. That's why they built the Fatima here, the Virgin of Fatima. But before, this is the land of my uh, also sister of my grandfather, Manding Agatuna. So now here you will see the view. I mean, I don't need to do some edits anymore, guys. And now I'm one thing why I'm really like eager to come here now, because I want to check all the blackberries, because I used to do the blackberries picking here since I was just like 3-4 years old. I already experienced all this like picking a lot of blackberries, not strawberries, sorry, here, because those mountains belongs to my grandfather. So of course it was just easy for me and my cousins, relatives, to go over here up in the mountain and pick some loads of blackberries. And when I was in elementary, I used to sell it every weekend. I had to sell blackberries in order for me to have money to sustain my daily school allowance. That's my life until I graduated elementary. I always had to do picking up of blackberries from here and other mountains, because mostly of the mountains here in my area, only in my area of Oy, we have a lot of very sweet blackberries, and that's why we are famous for selling blackberries, guys. And yes, there you can see if maybe next time I will go up in the mountain, just behind my, that mountain there, one more mountain and one more mountain. This there in that area is my house. You cannot really see my house because there are a lot of trees now, but yes, I think you can. That's my house there. Can you see, guys? There. So yeah, before I will just come over here, I will use this way. It was very easy because it's not really grassy, right, like until now. But I think the weather was really rainy this last few months, and that's why the grasses just grow again, even though they already clean it. So I always just use that way, going there to the valley, and then go another mountain and go straight to my house. It was just easier. No, it was just faster, but it's not easy because you have to deal with the slippery, all of those itchy grasses. So that's why now, as I showed you in the first video, on my way going up here, I used the neighborhood road, the the off-road, the rocky road. So yeah, this is my pride of, this is our pride of Oy, Lubok, Bohol, Philippines. We have our own statue of Virgin of Fatima, and people come here uh, every Wednesday, guys. Some of those devotees of Virgin of Fatima, they can freely come here and do the prayer, the novena prayer, and of course they can have a food there. They come here at night, like even like around sunset, and they gather to pray here. Mostly are from the village nearby here in Lobok, but now maybe it will be more uh, often. They will come here this starting this week, because this week is starting already for the Lenten season, guys, the Holy Week, as we Roman Catholic always have that once a year. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed with my simple hometown, the simple view that I am trying to show you this early morning. And hello to all of you, um, to all my followers, to all my new subscribers around the world. Here I am showing you, trying to put my simple village into the map of the world, so you can also try to uh, see my simple place, my village place. They call it a very remote area, because you know we are just surrounded with mountains, with jungles, with forests, with all this you know, that curtain clouds, and also the amazing view there, and oceans. That oceans is from Luwai, Baclayon, and there is in the city, Tagbiran City. And here, this in this down to that, that's where I went yesterday, and I showed you the video in the river to our downtown. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. And I guess because the sun is already shining, I need to go down because it's very hot now, though it is just 6:05 in the morning, but you know it's very sunny already. So I have to go back also, because my two daughters, I just left them sleeping, guys, and I'm sure they will be really, you know, upset if they will know that I am not there beside them anymore, because I tried to wake up so early, because this is really what I do, all not always every day. I depend on how the mood, you know, brings me. If I had a very nice sleep at night, of course I am very eager to do the walking, jogging every day, guys. But if I'm not, if I cannot sleep well, if I don't sleep early, then it's very hard for me to wake up early to do this kind of jogging. And you know, guys, that doing the jogging in the late on sunny days, it's not really recommended for me anymore, because you know I love the sunrise jogging, and also I can also do the sunset. But you know, in the middle of the day, it's not, because it's very hot here in our place in Philippines. It's so humid. So yes, guys, hello from Ella Shakira. Thank you so much for all your support, guys, and I hope you will support me, even though I'm not yet really a monetized YouTuber, but I'm just really a new one. I started doing this kind of contents last December 2024, and I hope you will support me, guys, please, because all of this hard work that I'm trying to really reach and try to achieve is not for myself anymore. It is for my two daughters, because I am a single mom, guys, trying to live by every day and thrive every day for my daughters. So thank you so much for all your support. I love you all, guys. I really appreciate all your views, all your, you know, effort to watch my simple videos, even though I don't have that talent in editing skills, but still you are there. Thank you so much. I love you all from Ella Shakira of Philippines. God bless. Mwah. Bye.